me see if I can, like, so if you go to the lesson, like the textbook,
Okay.
and then go to main page,
Yeah.
then go down and click on course resources.
Okay.
And then do you see the spot where it says SPSS tools and Excel tools?
Okay.
Click on
Which one do
Excel tools.
Which one?
Excel tools.
Okay.
And then download the Excel spreadsheets.
No, it's just me. It's like all of them. Oh. The country.
Okay.
I thought they were in the league.
Starting.
It's like the people who come to the school.
Yeah, it'll take a little bit. But, yeah, that is the program that like gives you all the answers. Where you,
Yeah,
gives you like the p-value and like everything.
So everything that we needed.
Everything that we needed, yeah. So like in our tutoring session, I went back and redid last week's homework, and it was
That's what I need to do. Like, I was so lost, and so I went and I just watched everybody else's videos and was seeing how they were doing it, and so I just kind of took their answers and was like trying to follow along with them, but then they threw out the, like, I could get the mean and all that type of stuff that they were getting. And then they started going off the program, and so I was like, okay, I have no idea where you guys are getting these answers now. But I was like, I can't, like, I already filled the homework, so I can't fill like this. So I was like working off and like doing their answers. So I mean, I did fairly well because it's their answers, but I need to still go back and do the homework. If that, I mean, if I get it today, then I might as well retake it. But like, I failed both the last week's, and I haven't taken this week's yet. Like, I started it, but
yeah, I did. I did this week's before I went to the tutor, but I just watched his videos. It only does some of the problems, but I did the ones that he did. And there's a couple that I got, but a couple that I didn't. But yeah, on this, and she worked. I didn't submit it or anything, but we worked through a lot of it, and so.
okay. See, that's what I need to go and do. I need to just go in there and try to use that. Okay, so it downloaded. Now which one?
Okay. You want to go ahead and work on the group meeting?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you gotten a hold of the other girl?
I texted her, and she didn't text me back. And that was the same as last week, where I texted her and she never responded, so. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, there's only so much you can do.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, group meeting. Okay, and so let me get my thing open. So the one we want to open, I think, is the quantitative inference procedures.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, that looks like what they've been showing on the videos.
Yeah, we found it. So, go back here. Alright, so in an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject H0 when there's sufficient evidence to indicate at least one. And I did this with her, and the tutoring member said that that is true.
Okay, hold on. My computer's being weird. What the heck?
This is kind of weird.
Oh, here we go.
Of it?
Yeah, it's just like still loading.
Oh, okay.
It's like filled up the because I had to redo iLearn, so it's like filled up the bar, but it's just still loading.
Okay.
Probably because I've been on it for so long today.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh,
Whatever was happening. Okay, here we go.
Let's go. Probably. What's your thing? What's your thing? Let's see how it is. Since I have it in my except, well, in 3 weeks and then I work at this. So.
What the heck?
I have to work this one. You want the last fry? Dang it! Dingus! Dang it! I love fry sauce. Why aren't you supposed to have fries? Huh? Why did you say you weren't supposed to have fries? Or weren't supposed to be
I might have to start my computer.
Supposed to have the fries and wrap food and some bacon.
Yeah, you can do that.
That means I'm gonna have to log out of my freaking test that I have going on.
Oh no.
Cause I think it's just all frozen really. Okay, I'm gonna restart it and then I'll get back to you.
Yeah, I should just be able to leave this here and you should just be able to get back on.
Okay, cool. In a bit. Okay, we're all set up.
All right.
Okay, so 3 is true?
Yes, 3 is true.
Okay. Then, let's see. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test?
The answer is B and C.
B and C, yeah. Okay.
5, to check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. And it's construct a QQ plot.
Wait, the QQ plot?
QQ plot, yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold on. There we go. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. Isn't it like it's B or C, isn't it?
It's B.
Like the B, standard deviation? Okay.
Yeah.
Trying to remember. I was like, I know it's like the whole less than 2 times.
Yeah, it's B.
Okay.
So 7, an ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent 2-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? And this one is kind of an odd question, but the answer is 6, because you have 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, and I think 2 and 4. So that's 6.
Yeah. That is a weird question, though.
I know, I saw that and I was like, this doesn't really relate to any of the math we're actually doing.
Yeah. Okay, so the soccer shoes data has 6 groups, A, B, C, D, E, socks. These data can be found in the wiki. Load all 6 samples into the quantitative inference procedure spreadsheet to perform the ANOVA test. Observe that the p-value is 0.0809. Remove socks data. What is p-value?
Okay, so for this one, you need to go to data files and get the socks data spreadsheet. Or soccer
shoes?
Soccer shoes, yeah, that one.
Okay. Okay.
And so what we're going to do is you go to the quantitative page, that page with, you know, all the equations and everything done for you.
Uh-huh.
And you see at the bottom how it has the little tabs with 1 sample t-test, paired sample t-test.
Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
go to the ANOVA?
Go to ANOVA. And then what we're going to do is we go to the spreadsheet with all the information, and you take all of the data that corresponds to A and put it in the first column, with all the data that goes to B, second column, and so on.
Okay.
Do that real quick. We just copy and paste it into the other one.
Okay, so hold on. We just put it into row 1, like the variable one?
Yeah, okay, so on the soccer shoes spreadsheet, you see how it goes from 2 to, it looks like 21 is all A's.
Yeah.
So you take that and you put it in under variable 1 on the other.
Okay, so does that mean I have to get rid of like the 4, 6 on like the spreadsheet, like the quantitative inference? Because mine has stuff already up there.
That'll just when you copy and paste it in, it'll just automatically delete it.
Okay. Oh wait, hold on. I don't think I did this right. Hold.
Yeah, I think I missed. Yeah, I need to redo that.
The heck? Okay, and then do we do that for each group?
Yep. So then all the ones that go with B go in variable 2 column.
Dang, I have no idea what I just did right now. There we go.
Okay, do you have them all in there or still working on it?
Still working on it.
Yeah, I just barely got mine in.
Like spreadsheets goes weird.
Oh yeah.
Trying to get them all. This is so weird. Okay. Got it all.
Okay. So the question is, so on yours it says that the p-value is 0.0809, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now it says remove the SOX data. So we just delete the information in variable 6. And it says now what is the p-value? And so we look and it's 0.309. Did you get that?
Trying to delete this stuff. Okay. So 0.309.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Where's this test? Okay. So the p-value always goes up when only one group is removed compared to the p-value when all 6 samples are included.
True.
Yeah. So what is the highest p-value you see when removing only one group?
So we're just going to... Oh, sorry.
I was just saying that you need to compute in ANOVA with each possible options.
Yeah, so we're going to do the same thing we did with each variable, and whichever one has the highest p-value. I'll need to get out a piece of paper so I can write down what they are.
So do we just need to like have every group up there and then just delete one?
Yeah, so we're going to do that. So now you put the SOX data back in, and then we'll delete variable 1, see what the p-value is, then put variable 1 back in, and then delete variable 2, and see what the p-value is, and then put that one back in, and we're just going to figure out what's the highest p-value we can get.
Okay.
So I'm going to start with variable 1.
So then I'll do variable 2.
Alright, I'm going to go on to variable 3.
Okay. I should get a piece of paper out as well.
Alright, and I'm doing 4.
Great.
Okay.
Okay.
So what did you get for 2?
I got 0.05209.
Okay.
So round it'd be 0.0521 if we round it, or just 520.
Okay. For me, the highest one I got was 0.4477. Was that higher than...
0.4?
Uh-huh. Which is like way higher.
Yeah, that's way higher because the ones that I got are 0.05s.
Yeah, so I just did it again to make sure, but yeah, it's 0.4477. So it'd be rounded to 0.448.
Yeah, that would be the biggest one.
But It worked. Nature. So yeah, so 10 is, wait, were we on 10? Yeah.
Yeah.
0.448.
I hear the training, my background and your background.
Yeah.
Okay, so when all 6 samples are used, what is the minimum small standard deviation?
So then you go over to the top where it has that chart with the variables and the descriptive statistics. And the middle column is the standard deviations. So we just find the smallest one and the biggest one. But make sure you have all of the data in.
Yeah. So would it be 5.230?
5.216.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that one. That's variable 3.
And then the biggest one is 7.291.
Yep. Holy cow, this is so much easier.
I know, right?
Oh, so much stress taken off.
Yeah, I was like, if I don't figure this out, I'm going to fail that test. No,
Yeah.
I can do it. I know how to do it.
So the test for equal variance is satisfied for these data.
And that is true. And I think that is when she told me that's when you multiply the smallest standard deviation by 2 and compare it to the largest standard deviation. And if it's bigger than the largest, then it's satisfied.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
So it is true. And then construct a Q-plot. I think that is when you do, I think it's quantitative descriptive statistics. Is it that
So
one?
the other graph?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to open. Just to make sure it's the right one. It's loading.
No idea what this chart is. Oh, right here. Okay. I see it.
Yeah. Does it have the Q-plot in there?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
one of the tabs. Like, it comes off like a blank page, but I saw the tab.
Yeah, mine's still taking a while to load. But, and I hadn't done this one with her, but it's pretty easy because I think you just
fill in your information.
Yeah, pretty much. I think you just have to do one sample at a time and look at the graph and see if it's in a roughly straight line or diagonal line.
So we would do like group 1, the first group first, and then or all of it at once.
Well, mine's still not loading, so let's do this again. Here we go. So we go to Qplot, and you just do one at a time.
Okay. So copy and paste again.
Yeah, more copy and pasting. But at least we know what we're doing.
Yeah.
So yeah, you just do variable 1, look at it, then variable 2, look at it, and just see if it looks normal.
Okay, so let me see.
Are you going, Sam? Yeah, I'm just waiting on Kaylee.
And the first one does not look normal at all.
Okay.
I don't know if you've done it yet.
I'm trying. Okay, yeah, that's super scattered.
Yeah, and they're probably all going to be that way. Yeah, so far all the ones I'm doing are completely scattered.
I didn't pay attention to time. It's okay, I'm taking my laptop. And
Yeah, so far the answer is going to be false because they all just
Yeah, scattered again.
Alright, are you ready for 15?
With yeah. So it was false.
Yeah, false, because they weren't
Okay,
wrong.
so yeah. And then so 15, the test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test is in F statistics is the p-value of the area to the right or the left F statistic.
The girl that I worked with said it was
To the right?
Can I come with you? Yeah, of course.
So would we see that on the charts?
Oh, I'm not gonna do that.
there. Oh, that works. Yeah, it was right.
Wow.
Are we ready to submit it?
Yeah. Sounds good to me.
But yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. Although we're bringing our laptops to work from home too, but. Oh, okay.
No, I guess we got 9. How are they normal?
Wait for me, I'm coming.
I do not see how 14 is.
I don't know, maybe he'll let us do it again.
Yeah, because I'm looking at these and I'm like, I'm pretty sure we answered those right.
I should have written down these answers.
Yeah. Oh well.
Well, at least I know how to do it again anyways.
Yeah, at least now we know how to do it. Yeah.
You don't mind.
Okay, and so for lesson 15, just
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I think it's just the review.
Is it very close? Yeah.
okay. We have to open the review.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'll change there. During one of the commercial breaks. Or halftime. That commercial looked like the pregnant people. That's still. It was. Like, I understood what they were saying, like, afterwards.
What questions are there?
Still,
Okay. 26 isn't too bad.
Yeah, it's not terrible, especially now that we know what we're doing.
Yeah. So we don't take forever. Oh boy. Okay.
Yeah, I just like, I want to talk to someone.
Discharge.
Actually, what is that?
Isn't it we are 90% confident that the student heart rate is between 45 and 105?
Yeah, I think it's the we are.
Yeah.
Does he do any of the answers for these?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go check.
Alright, yeah, she's on.
Make sure.
I know he did for lesson 14. I don't know if he did for this.
I'll just talk back.
heck?
I'll see you. Hey, what's up? Yeah, but I'm gonna go watch the game. I'm about to leave. No, kidding.
Did you find the videos?
Yeah.
You gonna watch the game?
Are you watching them?
Yeah, Chile.
Yeah, it's super long.
Mm.
But
Chile against.
is he giving us the answers?
Probably, because that's what he's done for some of the other lessons.
Wow.
So let's see.
Are you on?
So 3 is yes. C is B. Yes, the distribution of the means.
3 is B.
Yes.
Okay.
Of the mean, free sample, all that. And then 4 is D.
Confidence interval for the difference of means using independent samples.
Yes. Okay. Go a little bit further.
Caitlin, we're going to go watch FIFA.
Sounds good. Have fun. Tell me who wins.
Okay.
She just turned off. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. I skipped something. Let's see. So 5 is B. Obtain the balances.
Okay.
Okay. So 6 is A. The 998.04. What the? Oh, jeez. 7 is 38416, so C.
Mm-hmm.
And then 8 is the first one. 1250, 1250. The equals and then the higher than.
Mm-hmm.
And then going through the video. 9. Is that what we're on? 9 is B. The p-value is less than A.
Okay.
And then wait. 10 is A. Yes, it's enough.
Okay.
And then 11 is A. Committed type 1 error. And then 12 is by reducing, so the last one.
There are 2 by reducing.
D.
By reducing the
Reducing probability type 1 error will increase probability. So it's, 3 is reject. Reject HO. Sorry.
Reject HL.
Yeah, the D.
Okay.
14 is independent sample test. If that's there, yeah. Okay. 15 is dependent sampling the sisters' academic achievements. That's C, right?
Mhm.
Okay. And then 16 is confidence interval for U when O is unknown.
Unknown.
Unknown, yes. So B. 17 is D, 11.168. Um, 18 is confidence interval for the difference, so D.
Using independent samples.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. 19. Oh, what the heck? Where'd it go? 19 is C, negative 423. 20 is independent sample t-test. So that's D, I guess. Still trying to find it. It's so hard to find these things in the video.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna. Can't find it. Let me see if he talks.
were gonna go, I took my computer and I told them that. And that was one. The next day, that's when he said, no, I can't. I brought him over to the house. I think I didn't have her because I didn't want him doing this. I don't know. But anyway, I feel like I'm just like, I don't know, what do you think? No, but like, I don't want to miss. I don't. Huh? I don't know.
Ah, too many videos.
Yeah, I'm opening them up right now too. Oh man, it is long. Oh, and his is different.
What is?
I'm looking at part 3, and it's got questions up.
Yeah, I looked at that, but I was like, maybe it's like the homework or something, like the practice exam. Because I don't know if, like, technically what we're doing is a practice exam. Like, because I noticed that it was like 2 different things as well.
But I'm not trying to hold on. Like, I do want to get more.
I'm just thinking maybe we have to do the rest from here.
I'm interested in it, but you just got to tell me right now. Are you interested in it or not? Actually, right now. She said, honestly, I don't know. It's on my. You can wait. Probably do that.
What videos were you looking at?
I was just looking at the lesson 15.
Okay, yeah. Because I'm looking at the exam, and I'm like, we don't have any of these questions.
Yeah. So lesson 15 is where I was looking, but it cuts off, I think, at 20. So
yeah, he does that with the homework too, where he'll only do like 5 of them, and then stop.
yeah. I mean, if you're gonna do 20, you might as well finish 7 more.
Yeah.
So I mean, we could definitely we can pick up from here.
Mhm. Oh wow, it is really long.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Huh. Nice cut off here.
So let's pull up the template.
So like. I'm just like, yeah, just you probably are different. It can be easy.
Okay, so we're picking up what group?
On 20. Well, we're at 21, but it talks about it at 20.
Exercise bone density. That's the page we need to open?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so probably just already fill in that information.
Yeah, mine's still loading, so I have to give it a minute.
Okay, gotta figure out what type of test it is.
The computer's being weird.
Been there.
Hold up, what? I'm like, no.
What type of chart are we using?
Let me look.
Oh, does it just depends on how many categories it has?
Well, let's see what it's asking us. Many studies have suggested that there's a link between exercise and healthy bones. Exercise just blah, 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 blah. One study examined the effect of jumping on the bone density of growing rats. There were 3 groups. Rats that were selected at random for the 3 groups. A control with no, blah, blah, blah. So, let me look.
Because
If there's 3 groups, it has to be ANOVA.
ANOVA?
Yeah.
Oh.
If it's more than 2.
Well, paired sample test has. Oh, okay, yeah, no, you're right. You're right.
Well, wouldn't that change our answer to 20 as well?
I don't think so. Because it's an independent sample t-test, it's not saying it's a. I mean, we don't have that as even an option.
Okay. But I think we still.
I see what you're saying. Because there's ANOVA on here.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what he put on it. Go back, check.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he's still using independent.
Alright, but yeah, if you have more than 2 variables, then you have to use ANOVA, so.
Okay. So then we'll start filling that information in.
Yep.
Sorry, I don't text like that, so when you're like scared.
Okay. Now what are we trying to figure out? Calculate the test statistic.
So, isn't that like the t-test?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Give me a second. Hold on, I'm gonna go grab my notebook real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'm looking in there. There's not a spot on the spreadsheet for. unless it means F is the test statistic for ANOVA, so it's just 7.9. So that's 21.
Wait.
I forgot the test statistic for ANOVA is F. So if we look on there under F,
is it?
yeah.
Okay.
And then it asks for the p-value, and it looks like the p-value is 0.001895.
That's not even an option.
Well, that's not helpful. Maybe I need to round it? Let me look. Well, if we're rounding it to 3 decimals, then it would be 0.002. Is that an option?
Yeah, that would be it.
Okay, so it's that one. Which of the following best expresses the conclusion of this test? Use the level of significance of 0.05. I'm leaning towards B. Oh, maybe I don't. I don't know. I think it's A or B, but I don't know which one.
As the age one saying goes, all three other
Intensity.
Maybe it's A.
It's like roughly around the same.
Yeah, and I think if it's less than, that means they're more likely to be closer together. And since it's 0.00 or 0.002, which is less than 0.05, I would.
Yeah.
Well, I think I would kind of want to go with A.
Okay. That sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, so new test.
Pressures of supply and demand act directly on the prices for an airline ticket. As seats. Wasn't this on the homework?
I didn't take the homework yet.
I think this one was on the homework.
I mean, they've used homework ones in the past, I think.
Yeah. Trying to remember what the answer was. What is the correct hypothesis? I think it was dependent samples test because it's talking about these two. It's studying prices of airplane tickets when you buy them at different times. So they were comparing the same flight.
Sorry.
For like 90 days in advance and then 14 days in advance, so they're dependent on each other, so it's dependent samples test.
What the heck? Oh, it's this thing. Sorry. So, dependent for 24?
24 is dependent, yes.
Okay.
And so now we're going to a paired sample t-test.
Okay.
And we're going to put
this one up. Sweet. How do I, what the? What are we, how are we categorizing these?
What do you mean?
Well, in the paired, like it has the variables, right?
You mean which test are we using in the graph?
Yeah, we're using the paired sample t-test, right?
Paired sample t-test.
Okay, so there's variable 1 and variable 2.
Do you have the direct flights cost data
Yeah.
sheet? Yeah, so column B, column C, and D are variables 1 and 2.
Okay. Got it. I thought D was part of just the comments or whatever. I didn't read it as numbers.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't my bad.
And on this one, there are spots where once you input it into the sheet, it says like null and value, and she told me that we're just supposed to clear that.
Oh, are we?
That's what she said. I don't know if it's right, because I don't know if I got those right on the homework, but she said to do that, to clear it.
Okay, I'm gonna go over there and I'll tell Camry I'll see you later.
I don't know if they're gonna
do. Hello. Who are you talking to? My math.
Can I hear you?
Yes.
Oh, hey!
Oh my
No.
God. Hello.
Hi.
I apologize.
It's okay.
I'm trying to finish our math.
Okay. Well, I'm getting my homework, so.
Have fun. Sorry.
That's okay.
Oh boy. And she slams our door every time. Okay. So, I put in the information.
Yeah, and now you just need to scroll through and find the spots where it says null and clear it.
Well, did you look at the test thing? Like, nothing pops up, right? So we have to delete it, right?
Yeah.
Because everything else is null? Okay.
Yeah, so just in each little cell where it says null, just right click it and click clear contents.
Okay. Do we delete the whole, just only the null ones, or?
Yeah, only the null one, just that one spot, so that it's empty. But leave everything else. Where there's number, leave it. Where there's null, clear it.
Okay.
So once you've done that, you can get the test statistic and the p-value.
So did you get T statistic as 1.685?
Yep.
Okay, and then p-value 0.095, which is like 96.
Yep, I got that too.
Okay, so then which of the following best expresses the conclusion of this test? Use the level of significance of A equals 0.10. So we're less than...
So we're less than, so we said, for the other one, we said sufficient evidence to conclude they're all the same. So I think it would have to be the same as what we did for the other one.
Weren't we greater than last time, though?
No, we were less than still.
Were we?
Yeah, because it was 0.002.
Oh, yeah, you're right, you're right.
0.05.
Okay,
So this one is 0.096 compared to 0.10. I think we'd go with the same one. I don't know if that's right, though. I can't remember what she said about it.
I'm trying to think. Okay, lesson 15. Let's... go there. Of course it's not going to tell me that. So, so we're less than so there's a sufficient evidence to suggest that at least one of the three groups where it's been proved that there's different costs purchased in advance and different in costs. I'm trying to look at the sample in the lesson, and when theirs was saying p-value is less than the A. It says there's a sufficient evidence, so we got the sufficient right, and then I think it says to suggest that at least one of the three groups has a mean level of satisfaction with life that differs from the others. So would it be B?
Might be B then. And if it's B for that one, then it would be B.
We gotta go B for 23.
Yeah.
Yeah, B sounds like more of the answer that we got from the example. Like at least one of the group is different.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to submit?
Yep.
Okay, let's do this.
Hey, 92%. Not bad.
Oh, we were right.
With which one?
The Nova.
It was a Nova?
Yeah.
Dang it.
That's his video then.
Yeah. Oh, dang it.
I even kept looking at it and kept going a little bit further to see if he changed his. Man, that's dumb.
Yeah, and I guess 15, because 15 is one that he did too, and that one's wrong.
Oh, did we get 15? Oh.
And then, yeah. Oh, well, I will take 92%.
Yeah, any day.
Yeah. I'm cool with that.
Mm-hmm.
And then we didn't actually have homework for this one, did we?
No.
Okay.
That means I'll probably go back. I'll do 14's homework, and then I'll go back to last week's and try to get those done.
Yeah.
Now that I understand how it works.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. When she showed me that, I was like, finally.
Makes sense. I know. I was talking about it today. I was like, he has having this program that I was never taught how to do, and I was like,
I'm like, do the other girls understand this? Because I feel like I must have missed something.
I know, I went back to, like I said, I went back to the other people's videos, and they're just, working off this program, and I'm like, where was I?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm like, how did everyone in our group miss that? But we got it, and the important
yes, exactly. It's better that we got it now than never.
Yeah. Because I'm like, if I don't do well on this test, I'm not going to pass this class.
I know. I have to do well on this test.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm at a 70-something. So if I do bad, I'll go straight down.
Yeah. Although he said after the test you're allowed to redo the questions that you got wrong and get half credit.
Okay.
So if you do poorly on the test, you can at least try again to get more credit.
Yeah, that'd be fairly nice.
Yeah, because that's what happened on the last exam. I failed it when I took it, but then I redid some of the questions and it bumped me up 10%.
Oh, nice. Yeah, because I wasn't able to do that, and so I wasn't able to get my grade up a little bit higher, because I was traveling.
Mhm.
So, But I mean, I can do it now.
Yeah. And it's due on Tuesday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably try to take it tomorrow. Or Monday.
I'll probably do it. Yeah, either probably Monday.
Yeah.
Just 'cause of other things.
Mhm. Alright, well, glad that we figured that out.
Yes.
Got all that done.
Awesome.